Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM, and in my video today I am going to teach you how you can customize OpenBOM dashboard. So this is the dashboard that you can see on your screen. As you can see, it shows tiles and some properties, and you can also see it in the way of the list and the grid. So how you can bring the right data and right information here and also use filter capabilities, that's the question that I'm going to answer to you now. So the mechanism that controls what you see on the screen is the mechanism of user-defined views. So what we can do is that we can create a view and then use it in this dashboard. So let's go and create a view from the catalog, because this is the information that is coming to the dashboard from items. So here is the catalog for SolidWorks data, SolidWorks items, and I will create an engineering dashboard. So let's create a view which is called engineering dashboard, and I will save this view. And now I will go and I will edit this view, and I will grab all properties, and now I will decide what's going to happen in this view. So I won't have a drawings, but I don't need to have all other properties. Saved by, actually I like a quantity on hand, cost, it's all not engineering data that I want. So I'm going to remove vendor and preferred vendor, thumbnail, 3D view, file name type, configuration name. All right, so that's what I leave in this view. I apply, save this data, and now going back to the dashboard. So going back to dashboard, we can now switch to this engineering dashboard. As you can see, we're getting the information that is in this dashboard, and this information is presented, so you can see these properties. Now let's see how I can easy filter. So I can filter, for example, type, and I can filter type assembly. Easy created list that I want. So as you can see, the data comes very easy in this dashboard based on the configurations, and I can switch between tiles and the list. So what you can see in the tiles is the first 4 properties. So you can control it. So as you can see, the mechanism of views applied together with dashboard create a powerful configuration capabilities in the user experience that allows you to see the right data in the way you want. So that was Oleg about dashboard configurations with user-defined views, and I will talk to you soon in the next video. Thank you very much.